everyone, I'm here with Bree.
Hey.
We are getting to Starbucks. I just got back from Florida yesterday, and I'm gonna take you through a week in my life. It's gonna be so fun and exciting.
Oh wait, I need to call JP Lou.
Why? Give me a second, I need to...
Hello in the shadow, in the shadow.
Hello everyone, here's what you missed. I got a new phone. I got my nails done. And right now I'm going to work. Let's go.
Tell me something, boy.
I have to go into work today. I'm so bad at vlogging, but all I do is just spend all my time watching YouTube. It's like, I want to be a YouTuber, you know? And everyone always tells me that dream's never gonna come true. And I'm like, you're probably right. Look at my hair. Oh my god. Anyway, here's the tea. So I need to get glasses. I live in Utah. It is March and it's snowing. Why? And tomorrow it's like 50 degrees. I don't know. I don't understand. I thought I would do a review of some of my favorite things. First thing being myself. I stopped doing my hair because, I mean, I should probably start doing it again. But I mean, I feel like it's cute enough to where it's like, I can get away with it, you know? I'm trying to grow my bangs out. You can see it right here. Over here is even worse, but they're starting to get better. So I'm growing them out. I know. I did get the new iPhone, the XS Max, and I don't think I've been using it long enough to like have a good solid review about it, but so far I like it. As you can see, the camera quality, not great. Not that good. Do I still look cute? Like the back camera, like the facing the back is really good. Let me show you. See, I feel like this camera is better, but I like to look at myself. I don't even know if this is on me. I don't know if it's focused. So because of the bad weather, they told me I didn't have to go into work today. So yes, here with my cutie. So I thought, what better thing to do than go through my clothes, make a Poshmark, and sell some stuff. So that's what we gonna do. Oh my god. Oh! I really just did my best to film like a sit down video, and it just was horrible. Like, it was so bad. Should I pose for some pics?
I got what you got, friend.
This video is boring. I'm done.
I could totally vlog while I drive! When I say I stopped doing my hair, I mean like I fully, completely like stopped doing it. Anyways, just went through the Starbucks drive-thru on my way to school, and the driver is like, I mean not the drive-thru, the drive-thru guy is like, well, have a good day. I'm like, thanks. And then he's like, drive safe. I'm like, you too. He's not driving right now. He's inside. Why is my blinker on? Anyways, I got my caramel macchiato. I have to go park up at the top parking lot so I don't get a parking ticket, because my school loves to give out parking tickets just to struggling students who are trying their best, which is me. I don't even want to come to school. I hate it here. And then they give me a parking ticket for coming? Sorry. Hi. Aw, okay. There's so many people here. It's because they started giving out freaking parking tickets and no one wants to park. See, when this started happening at the beginning of the year, you want to know what I did? I didn't go to school. Did that do me any good? No. It's go time. Let's go to class. Let's do some yoga. Because that's what my class is right now, is yoga.
friends. Hey guys. Just did some math extra credit. Currently it's lunchtime, so I'm going home because I don't have any friends at my school because I hate everyone. I look so ugly today.
I'm alone in my house on a foggy day.
Oh.
Looking alive.
Good morning, everybody. I am late, but, well, I left my house late because I spent too much time getting ready. Do you see that when I talk? Hello. It's like a hole. Weird. Didn't do my hair once again. I am on my way to my most favorite class, chemistry. Gonna go take a test and then see you later with Bree, probably.
Would introduce you to my friends, but they dead though. Came about the mud, person turned to old man.
Anybody wanna get it, come correct though.
What is that? Oh shit, what is that? Who you fight?